Welcome back to Midday. Brittany, Megan, and Jane join us. How are you, ladies?
Good. Thanks for having us.
Good. So you guys are third-year nursing students, and we're talking about the Kamloops Ostomy Support Group. So tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, so the Kamloops Ostomy Support Group, it's a group that's developed within Kamloops for anyone who has had or is awaiting an ostomy surgery, as well for their families, friends, caregivers, support person, whoever they want to bring with them. Membership is open to anyone really who's interested in learning about ostomy rehabilitation, education, welfare, anyone who's living with an ostomy. We kind of came in contact with the group when they identified a need and an interest to increase their membership and attendance. They're finding those numbers are starting to dwindle, so they really wanted to make sure that the word was out there that this group existed and that there was an avenue for them to receive the support. So we've made some flyers and some videos and got those out there to try to make sure that everyone is really aware that this exists.
Yeah, and we actually have some of the video here right now that we can just show you quickly.
That I've been dealing with for approximately 10 years. I've been involved with the Ostomy Support Group for about 8 years, since its first meeting up at True.
Nobody's different shapes and sizes, but we're all ostomies.
Meetings are held on the first Thursday.
And so what happens at these meetings exactly?
So we have guest speakers of subjects of interest that come in and talk with the group.
Okay.
So we've had nurses, doctors, physicians, dietitians, really anybody that has valuable information for the members as ostomates. They've had come in.
Yeah.
So the group meets the first Thursday of every month from 7 to 8:30.
Okay.
The first hour of the meeting is generally for the guest speaker, and then the last half hour is generally just for the group members to kind of connect with each other, ask any questions that they might have, share any concerns. It's currently being held at the Active Medical Building, but this is subject to change. So if people just want to, the contact information for Edie and Nightingale Medical Supplies is just on the screen there. So just contact them to confirm location before you come.
Okay, perfect. So and how does the group benefit an ostomate, Jane?
So for an ostomate, it's really good for them to learn the information provided by the guest speakers, but it's also a chance for them to meet and talk to someone that is a fellow ostomate, and you can really gain really quality information from someone that shares a similar health challenge. And the group is really important for people to benefit, and they can benefit, their family can benefit, and their support person as well.
That's excellent, because then people are there that are going through the same thing as well.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just, you can share those similar stories and feelings that you face going through that challenge. And then Art actually mentioned in our video that his favorite part about the group is the camaraderie between the members. So
that's excellent. Thank you, ladies, so much for coming on, explaining a bit more about it. The info is on the screen for you there. The best way to get a hold is by calling the Nightingale Medical Supplies number on the screen there, or by calling Edie, who is the chairperson as well, and all the info from them. Thank you so much for coming on.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.